Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favourite meals to make, Tonkotsu Ramen. Please find the ingredients listed in the description below. The first step is to cook your meat. I've gone for a pork loin which I've smothered in olive oil and garlic. While the meat is cooking, add olive oil to a soup pan. Then add the chopped ginger, garlic and shallots. Cook for 5 minutes before adding the tonkotsu broth. I have provided a link below where I get my tonkotsu base from. Now add the chicken stock along with the following ingredients: a teaspoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a sprinkle of salt, a teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of rice mirin, and lastly a tablespoon of tahini. Stir and cover on a medium heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add the noodles along with Chinese leaf cabbage and beansprouts. I like my noodles quite firm, so after 3 to 5 minutes, I remove the noodles and put them in the soup bowls. Once the meat is done, leave to rest for 10 minutes. Then it's time to add your toppings of choice. I've gone for chilies, spring onions, mushrooms and a boiled egg. Once the meat is rested, add to the ramen. Now it's time to add the broth. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to make Tonkotsu Ramen.